When you think of FreeBSD, you may not think of it as an OS that you can game on. Well, you can, and there is a surprising large amount of decent games that you can install natively. As most of you will probably already know, The Goonies is a 1985 adventure comedy directed by Richard Donner, and it was released by Warner Bros. In 1985, so it was quite old. It was a very successful film. Because of the success of the film, I suppose it was only a matter of time until a video game was made based on it, as was the trend in those days. And so Datasoft stepped up to the plate and produced a Goonies video game for the Commodore 64, Atari 8-bit, and later, after US Gold stepped in, it was ported to ZX Spectrum and the Amstrad CPC. The game was made by Konami in 1986 for the NES and MSX, and it's from the MSX version that this remake that I'm reviewing is based on. This remake was made for the 2006 competition organised by Retro Remakes, and it ranked 5th out of 76 entries. You can install this game via FreeBSD's pre-built packages with PKG install Goonies, or via ports with Portmaster or Make Install Clean. As you may be aware, I'm not the best game player in the world, but we'll have a try and perhaps have a little fun as well. Right, so it's just starting up. I've muted there's some music in the game, so I've muted that. I don't want to get done for a copyright via YouTube. But I'll be keeping the sound effects on, so hopefully you better know what's happening. And I must say that the music is very, very good in this game. Right, I'll just make this full screen. There we go. Right, so you get a basic menu. You get play, password, how to play, settings, and quit. And password lets you go to a level if you've got the password for that level rather than having to play from the beginning again. How to play? Well, this little tutorial, kind of a tutorial, will show you what you're meant to be doing. And hopefully I can, that's it. So you can jump, pick up keys by walking over them, climb vines by walking to them and using up and down keys, okay. Avoid contact with enemies to prevent damage, I think I'm going to be doing a lot of that. Make sloth attack using fire key, spacebar I think. Kill enemies by punching them, okay. Locks can be opened if you have a key. Rescue the 7 Goonies to complete the level, okay. You can enter skull doors with the up key, alright. Once you have rescued the 7 Goonies, head to the exit door and enter. Okay, seems straightforward. And you can no doubt pick up these things. So that duckies increases life or experience. Let you run faster. Yeah. I think I'll be picking one of these up. I think. Drops will turn into coin. Okay. Some more. Oh, cool. Protects you from falling rocks. Protects from bats. Protects you from flames, water drops, steam, waterfalls. Easily kill ghosts and kills bats by touch. Alright. Cool. And protects you from skulls. Kills skeletons by touch. Kills skulls by touch. Fratellis won't be able to shoot. Okay. Protects you. Alright, okay, that's gone. Oh well. Well, we'll work it out. And settings. You can change difficulty level. We'll keep it on. Yeah, we'll keep it on standard. You can customize controls. And up, right, down, left, punches, space, pauses, F1, quit this game, okay. Fairly straightforward. Audio settings, video settings are self-explanatory really. And level pack doesn't seem to do anything, so that's fine. An editor, which no doubt will let you design the level. I don't think that this works from what I've heard, but we might have a look later. And credits for those clever people who made this original and made the remake. Look at that, look. 20 years. Amazing. And of course that's 2006. So it's coming up to nearly 40 years. Go back. And we'll press play. Let's get on with this. Right, stage 1. Okay. Sound of dripping, heavy breathing. Oh, is that hissing? I'm not sure. Oh, and then I missed that one. We'll go. Do we go down? Oh, I could have climbed down the vine, never mind. Punch, punch, punch. We got the key, get up. And get the duck. Alright, okay. Can I... I'm going to try... Nope. Never mind. Whatever that was. Oh, its experience has gone up, okay. Yeah, of course, drops damager. Let's go up the vine, and let's see what's the next one. Okay, well, that's typical. Oh my word. Let's go up here. Oh my goodness. Shall I go across that? No, no chance. We will go up there when it moves out of the way. Thank you. Let's leg it here before it comes back. Can I jump? No. Punching doesn't seem to do anything. It's like I go to punch one of them and it kills them. It affects me before I can hit it. Shall we... I don't know what I'm doing to tell you the truth. Let's go down here. And punch. No, again, I try to punch. I'm too slow. Oh my god. There we go. I got one. No, and he got me. And I've been hit by that. Right, so it's a Goonie. I've got a Goonie. Let's, under here, get another key. And I think I'll just go to the end to see what it is. Oh, no. Oh. Why is it beeping? Oh my god, my vitality's almost gone. I'm almost dying here. I can't get another key. What am I supposed to do? Oh, alright, there's a double lock up there. Let's go upstairs. Go up. Now I'm going to have to jump across, I think. Yep. Oh my. Fantastic. And game over. Look at that, don't even give you another chance. Brilliant. Shall I have another go? I mean, that was... that was on standard. Oh my. I don't know. I might have another go. It's the most tedious gameplay you'll ever see, but we'll have a go. Right, can we... yeah. Stage 1 again, this looks familiar. Here we go again. Didn't get me this time, which is good. And... easy now. I'm getting the hang of it now. Here we go there. I don't need to grab this yet, but I feel instinctive. Go down here, unlock that. There we go. It's not so bad once you've done it once. No, still can't get the hang of that. No. Can I jump? Oh no. Oh, up here again. I don't trust that bridge. But I might as well for all the damage I'm taking. Oh, hey! Oh, I can jump. Cool. Alright. I need to get down to that gate down at the bottom, I think. There we go, quickly. Okay, hit on the head. There he is. I'm just cheesing it at the moment. There we go. Leg, run, 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 run. What's that noise? Oh, my elf's not down already, is it? Oh, it's down to a quarter. I can't get more than one key. I keep forgetting that you can't get I can't get more than one key. I'll jump again. Just wait for that skull. There we go. Nearly didn't make it. Oh, I didn't mean to press that. But where we are. Cool. Yeah, let's go back. Is it? Help! See, what's happening is I'm trying to press jump, and of course it's taking me into the doorway. Oh, well, I'll jump in a minute, probably. That's one done. Hello, she's new. Oh, marvellous. And she shot me. Oh, my God. And I'm dead again. At least I got a bit further. Fantastic gameplay, as you can see. The game is brilliant. I love the graphics. The sound is excellent. It's a shame I can't play the music because there's a rendition of Cyndi Lauper's Is It Good Enough for Goonies? I can't remember what it's called, but playing in the background, and it's excellent. Let's have a look at the editor then. And I think I'll add a map. Let's see if this works. There's map 1, okay, cool. And edit. Is there no menu? I'm pressing all the keys. Doesn't seem to work. There's no doubt I'm not doing something right, or I've not loaded something in, but as it is, when you start the game up, the menu and the level editor doesn't work, which is a shame, because that would have been a good addition, I think. Is there a note that I can click on? No. What you can't is I'm clicking furiously now. I'll delete that anyway. No. Try again. Nope, never mind. That's a shame. That is a shame. Never mind. Right, okay, we'll delete that just in case it loads up by accident. And we'll go... No, I can't do nothing else. We'll go back. And, yeah. Play. Shall we have another go? I'm going to change the settings first, actually. So, Wimp and Baby level. Let's see how we go. Okay, what's the difference between now and the previous one? I've got a feeling your health will go down slower. Although we'll see about that. We'll see what happens. Okay. That's interesting. The enemy, that little, that lady with a gun. I don't know whether she shoots yet. But she appeared on the first level. I don't know if she was there before. Probably. Yeah, your health is going down a lot slower with this. I think I'll be here. It'll be game over by now if I kept on as I am. There we go. Let's go to the right. I bet you're sick of seeing this at the moment. So we should get on to the next level. Oh, I can't go under that until it's gone. Marvellous. So let's go down there. There we are. Everybody's jumping. I know. Okay, quick. Get on. Oh, my word. So we'll go to that double lock across the screen. Just jump across here. Or we could fall. Try that again. Jump across here. There we go. And yeah, that's better rather than try to jump in and out of that door all the time. So that's one lock gone. Okay. Got this key here. Whoop, there we go. There's a lot of I would say I definitely not luck, but skill involved and repetition. So here we go. Yep, that's another one done. So we've got 2 so far. Let's have a look. Can we go down further? Is that it? Are we at the bottom? Yeah, I think we are. So we're going to have to go back, aren't we? There you got you. We're going to have to go to his left, I think. Unless we go through here and see what happens. Right. Can we break that bridge? No. So there's a lock. And a rubber duck. So, lack of enemies on this level. Oh, of course, there they are. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. I'm not jumping off here. No chance, lad. Like that, and let's go back up. Reminds me of Donkey Kong, you know, Donkey Kong Jr. Through the vines. Okay, we'll go across there. And then go down. Okay, that's more sensible. No. Oh. You know, the character in this game looks like looks like one of my sons. Bless him. Right. He won't appreciate me saying that, actually. Right. Oh, here we go. Cross. There's a lot of boing going on. Boing, boing, boing. What on earth am I doing? I am trying to jump up. No, let's go down here. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, I'm not going in there. As you can probably tell, my game playing skills, even on extreme easy baby level, is not good enough. So almost Cyndi Lauper was singing about, am I good enough? Goonies good enough? Well, my gameplay isn't good enough. Okay, I'm just dead. My word. Goodness me. Oh, new level. Interesting. There's a steam. And people shooting me, and I take it it's one of them Fratellis, whatever they are, Fratellis. Okay, well, alright, that's fantastic. The sound design is excellent in this, as you can probably tell. The sound of the steam is a little bit overwhelming. The graphics are very decent, old school. I wouldn't say 8-bit, like 16-bit, I think. Judging by the screenshots I've seen of the original game, it's quite a good remake. This is sort of like the game that you'd get on the Amiga. So, yeah. Or perhaps the Super Nintendo. But anyway, okay, I'm not going to be boring much longer than this. It's like not seem to be doing that. Hopefully you can get an idea what the game involves. If you're a decent player, which means that if you're anywhere better than I am, you'll get a lot more enjoyment out of it. Although I am enjoying myself, it's just, you know, I'm not going to get very far. I anticipate that even with baby settings, I am going to be dead soon. So it's very good. I kind of like it. I had no idea that it was available for FreeBSD, and you just go into the package and install it. Brilliant. Yeah. So I highly recommend it, and download it and play it, because it's not going to cost you no. You might enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you... I'm going to say I hope you learned something, and that's don't watch my gameplay. But I hope that you found it mildly entertaining, and I will catch you next time.